Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Lauren, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this cute top knot bun on my natural hair, so just keep on watching. First, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and don't come for my broken nail, we struggling out here. If you guys want to know how I do my wash day routine, definitely leave it in the comments below and I can do a video for you guys. The products you'll need for this hairstyle is going to be a spray bottle, leave-in conditioner, mousse, gel, edge control, bobby pins, brushes, and hair ties. I'm starting off by separating my hair into two sections. I like to part my hair in half because my hair is super thick. I would definitely recommend, if you have thick hair like me or even thicker, definitely do this because we want this bun to be as sleek as possible, honey. Okay, we're not playing. We don't want no lumps, no bumps, no nothing. So then after I get a decent part, I go ahead and put that hair away. And now I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and I'm just going to dampen this section. If you guys are wondering where I got this spray bottle from, it is from the Tracy Ellis Ross Haddon hair care line, and I got it from Ulta. Next, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, and I apply a lot of this leave-in conditioner. I am very serious about getting that moisture in my hair, so I go ahead and apply it per section, and then I finger detangle. And I'm going to speed it up for you guys, but I am just going in each section, dampening the hair, adding the leave-in conditioner, and finger detangling before I actually go in with my brush. Once my hair is kind of brushed out, now I'm going to add this curl enhancing cream. This is optional, but I'm just adding it for extra moisture. And I'm applying that all over the section. And I take my detangling brush. And I stole this brush from my sister, but I think she got it from TJ Maxx. Y'all definitely invest in a brush like this if you have a similar curl pattern like mine. But yeah, I'm just continuing to brush out the section, and I'm going to twist it up. And I ended up getting 3 sections in the back. So now I'm going to go ahead and start in the front, and in the front I'm only going to put my hair into 2 sections, and I'm literally repeating the same process, dampening my hair, adding the leave-in conditioner, and then adding that curl cream and detangling my hair and finger detangling when needed. And I know it seems like a lot of work, you guys, but this is really a major step, especially if you have thick hair, because like I said, we want a sleek bun. So now I'm going to go ahead and section off the 3 twists that I have in the back, because I am going to first start on the front half, making the front half into a ponytail. So what I do here is I kind of just try to figure out where I want my ponytail to be at, like where I want the bun to sit on my head. And I go ahead and brush out what needs to be brushed out. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie up this section, and try to get your hair as sleek as possible when you're doing these steps, just so that when you apply the gel later, it's easier. So this is where I want my ponytail to be at. So now I'm going to twist up the remaining part. And I'm adding a bobby pin at the end to kind of just secure it while I work on the back. So with the back, I'm doing the same thing that I did in the front, just brushing it up to the ponytail. So now I'm adding this eco style, and I am just sleeking my hair, y'all. I love eco style. I know people, don't request eco style. I've definitely tried the wet line extreme gel. It doesn't do the same justice as eco style. But if you have a better, gel or edge control that works better for you, definitely use it. This has just worked best for me. And yeah, it gives me the most sleek bun possible. But you guys can definitely use any other type of products that you would want. And I just continue to sleek. And this part is going to require patience, just because you want everything to be laid down. And if you have thick hair, we don't get our hair just sleek on the first brush. You got to put in some arm and elbow work for that. And that brush that I'm brushing my hair with is a softer brush. So I first had that hard brush to really go in and, straighten out all those little naps I had. And then I go in with a soft brush to basically tame the flyaways. So now I got my desired ponytail, and I'm going to just kind of moisten my hair again, just dampen it. And now I go in and do some more detangling. That's what I'm saying, y'all. My hair is thick, so I really have to do these steps. If your hair is not as thick as mine, you may be able to just put it in a ponytail and start the bun. So once I finish detangling, now I am going to add a hair tie on the length of my hair in the ponytail, and I put it about 1/4 of my hair. And this helps just give your bun height. If you have longer hair, this is definitely a step I would recommend, because it just helps. And now I just wrap it, and this part is self-explanatory. You kind of just have to go based off of your preference and put the bobby pins where they're needed. And here you'll see I'm kind of like pulling at different pieces of my bun. I just do that to add a little messy effect. And I started on my edges, but I was having real trouble doing my edges on camera. So I had to go off camera and do my edges. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the bomb ass edges, and now I am going in with some Eco Style, and I'm putting this Eco Style on the flyaways that I see in my hair before I put my scarf on. And I put it on my kitchen too. In this little area, I be getting like this little naps. I don't know why, but sis be napping up, so I had to sleek her out. Okay, and now I'm going in with the mousse. And y'all, this mousse saves the day. I live by this mousse. I don't recommend any other mousse, but if y'all you want to use something else, go ahead. But this mousse has definitely been the best mousse for me. The Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse. I use it on my mini twist video. I use this faithfully. And this, it kind of just like melts all the product together when you put it in the hair tie. Like, it just makes it so much better. So I am going in with these cotton silk scarves, kind of. It's like a mixed grade texture, but don't judge me in how it's ripped and stuff. I took this one from my sister. I know I take a lot of my little hair products from my sister, but these scarves, y'all, they gonna get the job done. And this is my scarf. Don't come for her. Don't come for neither one of these. These girls have been through it. So yeah, I kept this hair tie on my hair for about 20 minutes just because I was gonna go somewhere later. You can leave it on longer or shorter depending on how your hair lay, but for my hair, it's like about 20, y'all. So now I'm just adding some water, and this is when I just go in and try to personalize the bun a little bit. Add some little curls. This is optional, you don't gotta do that, but I just like having a little extra texture in my bun. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.